Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, by the grant of Allah Almighty, I have got an opportunity to deliver a speech on the topic of miladunnabi. As we all know that the total number of messengers sent to the world is about 140,000, as mentioned in the Holy Quran. Sirat is an Arabic word which corresponds to the natures or attributes. Miladunnabi means the qualities and the habits of our dear Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The words feel short when he is to be praised. He is an epitome of honesty, innocent, a perfect judge, a perfect husband, a perfect father, and a perfect grandfather. In one word, he is an all-rounded human being and every positive quality that we can think of. He was raised as an orphan by his grandfather and later by his paternal uncle. He belongs to the famous tribe of Quraysh. When Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was only 40 years, he got the first revolution. He was told to spread Islam. When Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam started to preach Islam in Makkah, the people of Makkah discouraged him and the small kids started throwing stones at him. But in return, he never lifted his hand. In fact, he prayed to Allah to forgive them. On the day of judgment, on Hashar Maidan, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will wake up and will ask first, "O Akhir Jibrail, O my brother Jibrail, Aina Ummati, Aina Ummati, Aina Ummati, where is my Ummah?" Think our Prophet will ask about you and all of us. He will be worried about us. Jibrail will reply, "Ya Rasulallah, till now they have not waked up." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will say, "Before making me wake up, Allah sent them to Jahannam or what? This is not possible. If my ummah have zarra iman in their heart, they cannot go to Jahannam. And I am Mustafa. Without my ummah, I will also not go to Jannah." Jibreel will ask, "About which ummah you are worried for?" Nabi will say, "I am worried about my gunagar ummah, for whom if I will not speak out, they will not go to Jannah." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will go to Allah and every word slogan will start, "Ya nafsi, ya nafsi." But Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will say, "Ya ummati, ya ummati." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will directly go to sajda in front of Allah and will start crying. Allah will say, "Oh Habib, why you bow down your head? Today is not the day for crying. Today is the day for joy and happiness for you. Today is the others to say nafsi, nafsi." Oh Habib, you have cried a lot in Taif and Maidan in Makkah. You have struggled a lot in Makkah. I have never stopped you. You have shed your blood. I have never stopped you. Oh Habib, what do you want? Tell me. Whatever you want, I will give you. Nabi will say, "Allah, my ummah, Rabbi habli ummati." Allah, please give my ummah to me. Allah will say, "Your ummah is my banda. I have to judge them." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will say, "Allah, if you start the judgment, no one will go to Jannah. I know that, and without my ummah, I will also not go to Jannah. Allah, now whatever you want, you can do, and without my ummah, I will also not go to Jannah." At all, he is my source of inspiration and my connection with Allah. Yes, he is my role model. May Allah join us with Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the paradise. Amin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.